Video of this old mobile gas station here in Gates, Tennessee. Very cool place. Got the two old gas pumps out here. So you got the old mobile sign there. Very cool place. Lots of old signs. You can see the old cars they've got in there. Let's see if I can get you close enough where you can see it. Very cool. Again, this is in Gates, Tennessee. Got an SS Camaro in here. See that? All the old oil cans, trying to get you where you can see. Very cool. The old Texaco Looster. Michelin sign. See the old Honda motorcycle, barber chair. Very beautifully done, decorated. The old Swin bicycles. It may be hard to see through that glass with the reflection, but of course the old pumps. We're come down to Ripley, Tennessee today. Got the Buick out today. Went down to Ripley, Tennessee. We used to make this drive all the time when I was a kid. And I've always enjoyed the drive down here. Just through the country, old two-lane back roads. This is just cool, and there's even a little garage across the street there. But anyway, guys, I had to stop and get a quick video of this restored mobile gas station. As you can see it. Very cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next video.